Hey y'all, what's up? It's Easy G. This is a new vlog. I'll show you what happened in the last video. Today I came on a fishing trip with my best friend or whatever. He's over there looking for this pinchy pinejo. So basically I got a fishing pole out here, getting ready to catch a motherfucking fish. So that's legit. And yep, I'm still rocking this army shit. It is 100% legit. Please like, subscribe, and my goal today is to try to see if I can catch any fucking fish. So I'm gonna set this up right here. I don't know if you can see out on the ocean. I'm just fucking with y'all. It ain't the ocean, but if it was, I'd be legit. Now I'm just gonna make lit. It's gonna be like probably just till it ends. So just like I said, please like, subscribe. You'll check out what the hell I'm gonna do. So legit little like I'll be rapping that, tapping that, catching that fish, rolling it up and that, dishing that shit. Ooh. Yeah, got no birds out here. This baby, hold up. Oh, horny. This is the bait I'm using. She's a beauty, ain't she? Yep. Then, just pop this little motherfucker over like this. Take her like that. Then, watch this shit. It's gonna be legit. Pop her back. Pop her right or dater. Ain't boo right there. Eh. Let's fuck with y'all. I ain't redneck. Was never meant for it. Haha. Legit, bro. Legit. Stupid hoe. That's how fast. I'm not fast. Fucking super fast, bitch. Ready? Guys, a friend is gonna kick my fucking ass. I have snapped the line. Yeah, I just snapped this motherfucking line. I ain't joking, see? So, yep. He has to do a whole brand new fucking line, I guess. Obviously, because this is really fucking fucked up, bitch ass nigga. God. Ugh, sucks. So, what do? I just drink Dr. Pepper and talk shit. Fucking crazy, man. I thought I was at least gonna be able to catch fish, but until he fixes that line, I ain't gonna be able to catch some catfish. Now I know for a fact that catfish is over there on that side of the shore. It's a guaranteed fact. Sorry for the sunlight. And I know some of those little fuckers over there, but more back that way, as you can see. So, yep. He's actually my cousin too, so. Hey, Tim! I snapped the line! I don't even think you heard me. Damn. Dr. Pepper, bro, that shit legit. It's so fucking beautiful out here, dog. Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah, this is my day. So what the hell do I do? I don't know. Yeah. Check my day, beaver. Yeah. Hey, Tim! I snapped the line! For real! I was making a YouTube video about it. Well, I still am. Which sucks. Bro, this shit is whack. Dude, I threw it out and it snapped when I fucking hit the line without... Oh, I fucked up. Yeah, sorry I have to yell. World's largest burp. Ooh. Mighty motherfucking cholo. That's just shit. Mighty cholo. Ooh. Ooh. Mighty fucking amigo. Oh shit. I hope I don't fall off this fucking shit here. Hey, shout out for 7 subscribers too. That's legit. Hurry up, girls! There you go. Run, soldier, run! Go, soldier! Come on, soldier! Run! My homeboy is in for the run. Hell yeah. Hey, I stepped the line, bro.
How did you snap the line?
Like I always snap the line. What's up? Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, bro. Hey, bro, welcome to my YouTube channel. Anything to say?
Hey, shut up, fish.
This for 7 subscribers.
I'll
Oh,
slide to your channel later.
I snapped the fucking line, bro.
Good.
That's not good, bro. I'm trying to catch this motherfucking fat cat. Wow, I was about to say fat fish. I meant catfish. What?
It was like you had a fish on it.
I did. That's why I snapped.
You need a light on that one. Duh. Okay. Hey,
So,
I got the snap on ones.
shout out
You,
my 2 homeboys. This is Eazy G's fishing trip. So, it's legit beautiful. See, I may be,
Hey,
what do you
I need
call
the YouTube video. Whoa, yo, I'm fishing, bro.
What? Look at him, he's running away, bro. Oh wait, he's running to his girlfriend. Hey! Hey, you wanna see littering? Psych, I don't litter.
Hey,
Glad we
just
don't.
spin it on that.
Censored.
Censored, yeah.
Censor stomach.
Censored, shut up. I'm ready to fish.
8 minutes and 41 seconds, dog.
What?
8 minutes and 41 seconds. Oh shit! Hey, do you got a pocket knife?
Here.
Hey, bro, do you have a pocket knife?
No,
Okay.
just hold that.
Really?
I had to go get my guy.
He's raping him!
Goes out there, dude. Yeah, he needs a light on that. I got using gold for him. He needs a light on that.
You're on my YouTube channel now with 7 subscribers. So, shout out. Lit. Oh, I snapped the pole. I had a fish and I yanked it back in.
Look at my new fishing rod.
It must have been a big one because the pole was kind of coming down a little bit.
I'm kind of pissed. I'm sorry.
I know. Gabby's boyfriend. I want
No,
to
I'm not pissed at Gabby's boyfriend. I'm so pissed at LaQuan.
That guy too.
I don't know who these people are.
You don't want to. I mean,
Oh my God! Guys, you're gonna make me fall in the water here.
He still wants to fight me. Just tell him I live at the
He basically told me to burn in hell.
Yeah, he did.
Hey, he's gonna be burning in hell. You're gonna be vibing in heaven, right, Tim?
Yep.
He's a Muslim, so.
Hey, shout out to Number one of 28,000 freaking jokes from random people that I've seen in my lifetime. That is a good one. He is Muslim.
He is.
Wow.
He actually is.
He really is Muslim.
Yeah, told me.
Damn.
Hey, I'm Muslim. You're gonna burn in hell. Psych, that's me. Ooh.
Yeah.
Adi cholo amigos.
Dude, I am your father. You guys are gonna scare the fist away.
Hell no, I'm your mother.
Shut up. What, baby?
Oh shit. This feels so weird, bro. It feels like gravity just wants to pull you back in the water. I actually went swimming in this lake the other day to get a basketball though. That's lit. Alright, I'm really done for this video. Like and subscribe. And like I said, more activities, more subscribers. Shout out to my cousin, his girlfriend, and her brother for coming on this fishing trip, and we're having a great time. So please like and subscribe this. God bless y'all. And I'll keep you updated on the military stuff. So, alright. Love y'all. Peace out.